Hi everybody, this is Jack Frew from SharePoint Saturday, Chicago Suburbs. We're holding our event on June 1st. Hope you can make it. I'm here today with Prasanna Adavi. Am I saying that right, Prasanna?
Yes, that's correct.
Hey Prasanna, thanks so much for joining us tonight. How are you doing today?
I'm very good.
Awesome, glad to hear it. So Prasanna, you're doing a talk for us on our event, June 1st, called Reports, Dashboards, and All That Jazz with SharePoint and Project Server 2013. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Awesome.
And
can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. First of all, I'm very excited to be given a chance to talk at SharePoint Chicago Suburbs, and knowing that it's your first SharePoint Saturday over there. And my topic is pretty much about, actually it's the only topic about Project Server 2013 on your list. It's what has happened over the years. I'm from primarily a project management background, and I'm what you call an EPM consultant, enterprise project management. Over the years, what has happened is Microsoft slowly started bringing Project Server and SharePoint together. So today, with 2010 and 2013 coming out, they are pretty much one and the same. So we have clients asking us more and more about SharePoint. I have SharePoint clients asking about Project Server 2013 or 2010 or any other version. So my main purpose in that submitting that topic and my main goal will be two things. One is talk about the intersection of SharePoint and Project Server 2013 and how it plays a part in everybody who is using those tools today. And number two is that there is a lot of reporting capability within both those tools. And a lot of it doesn't need a highly skilled expert level SME or anybody. It's a lot of end user reporting tools that are available. And my goal is to talk about those and hopefully, and it will be very demo oriented. So hopefully people can take advantage of that demo right after, as soon as they go back to their work and gain some brownie points with their colleagues and boss.
That sounds awesome. Hey, does reporting in Project Server, is it based on SQL Server reporting services, or do they have a different engine for that?
There are multiple sources. Primarily, the one that really comes handy for users is Excel services.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, there is SSRS reporting too. That is, again, if you know enough querying and SQL, you can navigate your way around it. But they have improved so much with Excel services that an average user can just drag and drop and build beautiful dashboards.
Oh, wow.
Especially Power Pivot, Power View that came in with 2013 versions. It's all compatible with one another. So
is Power Pivot and all that stuff, is that all part of the base SharePoint package now?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So there's no need for, like, you don't have to have an extra SQL license for any of that kind of stuff now. That's all.
No, it's part of it's all part of one package.
Okay.
And the database schema helps you work through it. There have been some changes from previous version to this version. I'll be covering that in the talk. But overall, my goal is to introduce the SharePoint community to Project Server if they have not seen it before, and hopefully any Project Server community out to show them the SharePoint functionality that they can take advantage of.
That sounds great. We're actually going through a Project Server kind of an investigation project at work right now, so I'm looking forward to your event and to your session. It'll be good.
That's great. That's great.
Awesome. You've also got a blog and a Twitter account, right? You want to share those with us?
Sure. My personal blog is called thinkepm.blogspot.com. It's on my profile, and my Twitter account is also mentioned in in the session schedule. It's Prasanna Adavi, straightforward. Okay. My first name, last name.
Okay, great.
And we also write on our company's blog, which is epmablog.com.
Okay. And from what I understand, you were saying before you've done some project management and what have you before this. What's your background? How long have you been working with Project Server for?
I have been working with Project Server since its 2003 version. That's probably puts me back to 8 or 9 years working with this tool with various versions, various clients, different industries. And over the years, I have grown to get acclimated to SharePoint and its nuances as well. And right now I'm a certified administrator in SharePoint as well.
Oh, great. Okay, cool. Well, hey, I really appreciate your time tonight. Thanks for giving us a little heads up on what this session is going to be about. I think it's going to be great, and I look forward to seeing you.
I look forward to being there and meeting all the other great speakers.
Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Thanks a lot. Have a great night.
You too.